Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I actually wasn't going to even show my face today. It's the end of the day and just real life after running my errands this Sunday morning and making dinner and all of that. This is how I look. So I'm just in some comfy clothes and I'm ready to do my manicure tonight, but I did want to just come on at least in the beginning and say hello, and then I will lower the camera down and you can see my nails, because that's why you clicked on this video, is to see my dip manicure. I did want to film that for you all so you can see how I do it. I know there's a ton of videos already out there, but you can see what I do. I use a really simple dip kit or starter kit that I got from Sally's. It just has two natural colors that I like to put my own color on top of. So I choose any color that I want. It goes really well on top of these neutral colors, and you don't see, like, I have on polish, regular polish on top of my dip. I'm also here to share with you all my new nail file that I got off of Amazon. It's my first time having one of these, and I'm going to unbox it with you all for the first time. What I've been using in the past is a 180 grit, I need to clean it, but a 180 grit nail file. It's coarse enough to get your nail nice and smooth. So if you don't have one of these drills, they weren't pretty expensive. They were like maybe 20 bucks, but you know, this is like $1 or $2. So you can use that as well. I've gotten it down where I can use the nail file and I can still get my manicure done within an hour. I'm pretty sure this would be even faster for me. So I'm really excited to try this. I hope you guys are excited to watch this video. If you do enjoy it, please like it and let me know in the comments. And if you're new here, I make all different kinds of videos. I've done some cleaning videos recently. I enjoy making those. My beauty videos, and of course I'm big on health and wellness, especially if you go over and check out my Instagram page. But yeah, if you like my channel, please consider subscribing and welcome. So let's get started.
Alright you guys, so here is my manicure kit where I keep all my files and nail tools. This is the dip kit that I'm using, the electric drill, and my regular polishes. I asked you guys over on Instagram to pick my nail color and you guys chose the nude and glitter. So I'm just lighting a little candle here to set the mood, but don't have it next to anything too flammable. Alright, so let's get this electric drill open. It comes with the instruction manual. Here is the drill itself. So I got it in the rose gold color. I believe it came in silver and I believe just a yellow gold, but I thought the rose gold was really pretty. It's really smooth and comfortable to hold. So overall, now that I know that I've used it, I'm really happy with it. Nice little thank you note. Here is the power cord, the drills, and some extra bits to use. And I love that it came with that little brush as well. So I'm gonna read how to put everything together. I don't know exactly what drill goes with what yet. I will figure that out, but I use the one that I normally see used in the nail salon, and that's the one I put on. This is how you plug it in. I did get up and plug it into the wall, and then it has 2 speeds. So it does say not to use the fastest speed all the time because it can get really hot. So not too hot, but you just don't want to burn yourself. So I also want to show you all what dip color I'm using. I'm going to use the one that's similar to the polish that I'm using today. And then organizing the steps. So I have step 1, 2, 3, and the cleaner. There really isn't a 4th step, but step 1, 2, and 3. And here we go. So I am taking off the color and filing down my first layer of dip that I did. So I would say every 3 weeks you would want to soak this all off. But for now, I'm just basically going to do a fill today. This did take me a little while with my second hand, just figuring out how I wanted to hold it. I'm right-handed, so that might be something you struggle with, but overall I did get the hang of it. and I still use my 180 grit nail file to get off anything extra. So dusting that all off and getting ready to apply the dip. That is seriously the easiest part, but before you start, you do want to cut your cuticle a bit so that doesn't get in the way. Step 1 is your nail primer. So this gets your nails prepped for your base coat, and make sure that it's dry and there's no oil on your nail. So you can put this on all 10 nails, but for the rest of the steps, we're going to do one hand, one fingernail at a time. Step 2, apply your base coat. It's also your top coat. You'll see what I mean. So you put on your base, then kind of shake your dip powder before you put your finger in it. Put in one even layer and tap off, and then you can do the second finger. Apply your base coat, dip. I kind of go put my finger in at an angle, tap it off, and then so on and so forth. So apply your base, dip, then move on to the next finger. Don't put your base on every nail and then dip. So hopefully that makes sense, and you can also see what I'm doing. So we'll do this first layer, and then if you feel like you need a second or a third, you can do that, but I already have a little bit of dip, so I'm only going to do 2 layers today. It's amazing that how it fills in the grow out that I have, so I only need 2 layers. So it's very easy to apply that second layer of base over the dip powder. And we will be smoothing this out and filing it down later, so don't worry about it looking perfect at this point. I'm just making sure not to get too close to your cuticle line, but the dip powder, the powder itself doesn't really stick to your skin the way maybe like a shellac would, so it'll be easy to clean up the edges of your nails. So now it is step 3, and this is your gel activator. So this is going to harden the product. And then as an extra layer of protection, you're going to apply, I just waited a couple seconds, apply what was your base coat is now your top coat. And you would be done at this point, but you will see, looking closely with your own naked eye, that there are some bumps or whatever. So you'll want to use that drill again to smooth everything out. This will take away some shine, but you do want to apply that top coat as a protective layer so you don't drill off or file off all your dip. And then you can apply that top coat again and literally be done at that point. You'll be dry. There's no wait time, no dry time. But like you guys know, I'm going to polish them with another color. So at this point, just finish filing, get the right shape that you want, and this is where we are. So at this point, my nails are just with the top coat They're completely smooth, they're the shape that I want, and now I am applying my color. And yes, full transparency, I did not finish filming this video in one day. I had to come back and film it again. So that's why I'm in a different location and also different outfit. So here is the nail that I'm choosing to do glitter on. I think it's traditional to always do your ring finger as your accent finger, so I've been trying to do something a little bit different and make my pointer finger my accent finger, and then I believe my middle finger is going to be my accent finger on my right hand, or my left hand, sorry. Wait, no, my right hand. I'm looking at this backwards, so now I'm working my right hand. These polishes I've been obsessed with. I've been getting them at Dollar Tree, so that's where I found them. I have a ton of colors. They're only $1. They're really beautiful, even with just on regular nails and not, with dip, but they're great on top of dip. And it's also a great way to save money because you can buy other dip powders that are different colors and that be your color, but I love that I have this simple dip kit that's like a neutral pink or a neutral nude color. Those are the colors I tend to wear. But you can put blue nail polish, any color polish on top of these colors and it will look amazing. So I also have the High Shine Top Coat from LA Colors, again from Dollar Tree. So is the glitter color that I'm putting, the Wet n Wild glitter. So head over to your Dollar Tree and get some fun colors for your nails. They're really good polishes. I like them a lot. And it's been a fun thing. This is kind of like my quarantine activity, has been doing my nails since things have been shut down or whatever. So there's that. And final step is to apply some cuticle oil, and it just gives you that professional, fresh out of the salon look. And here you guys go. I love how these turned out. Thank you for picking my nail color. We'll have to do this again over on Instagram. I just love it. I think it turned out really beautiful. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.